Marat Chamber of Commerce for hosting this event. I also especially thank to the Vietnam Solidarity Committee for their kind arrangement and support for our delegation, especially the visit to this beautiful city. It is a profound honor and a distinct pleasure for me to be here in this city, Kolkata, a city with so much connection and sentiments towards Vietnam. This is the very city that our President Ho Chi Minh visited 3 times. The first time in 1910s, the second time was in 1946, when he stopped in Kolkata before heading toward Paris. And the third time in 1958, when he made an official historic visit to India, and he did visit Kolkata. This is also a very city that many prominent figures of Vietnam has visited. In 1989, the Kolkata hosted a great general of Vietnam, Võ Nguyên Giáp, whose name has been attached to the victory of Vietnam in the Battle of Dien Bien Phu, ending the French colonial rule. And also Madame Nguyễn Thị Bình, the former Vice President of Vietnam, has visited Kolkata in 2008. So the support of people of West Bengal and the demonstrations in Kolkata with the people chanting Tomanam, Amanam, Vietnam, Vietnam. A profound expression of solidarity with Vietnam in our struggle for national independence.